Hey guys, it's me, Gamer Celery here again, and I know it's raining right now, but I don't really care. And today I found a bird, on the street by itself, no mom, and it's right there. See? Ah, crap. And I think it's really cute. So I put it in a box, and I'm just gonna wait until the mom gets here and finds it probably. And but this video was just to show you guys my bird. It's not really my bird, but I just found it randomly. Oh crap! Don't worry about the coat. And now, so I'm just not really doing anything. I'm just gonna go back inside because it's raining. It's not cold. Apparently the pool is supposed to open today at 1 o'clock, but because one of my friend Levi said that, and my neighbors said that it's supposed to open up on Saturday. So yeah, it's supposed to open up on Saturday because today is Friday. Crap! I'm having issues with my coat, so I'm not really doing anything. Just walking around. So not really anything going on. Goodbye.